The more you worry, the less you dream. Nothing can dissipate adversity faster than changing your focus. The first step to loving someone is understanding who they are. Rather than fighting the wind, it's much easier to trim the sails. Everything happens for a reason, even if you don't understand it in the moment. The act of taking the first step is what separates the winners from the losers. The best in business spend far more time on learning than in leisure. The best leaders blend courage with compassion. The best leaders lift people up versus tear people down. The best leaders without a title use their heads and listen to their hearts. The bigger the dream, the more important to the team. The few who do are the envy of the many who watch. The greatest mistake we make is living in constant fear that we will make one. The harder the conflict, the more glorious the triumph. The less you are like others, the less others will like you. The majority of men meet with failure because of their lack of persistence. The more messes you allow into your life, the more messes will become a normal part of your life.
The more you go to your limits, the more your limits will expand. The most dangerous place is in your safety zone. The road to easy street goes through the sewer. The quickest way to grow the sales of your business is to grow your people. The questions you ask are more important than the things you could ever say. The most unprofitable item ever manufactured is an excuse. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. The starting point of all achievement is desire. The successful warrior is the average man, with laser-like focus. The things that are hardest to do are often the things that are the best to do. There are 1,000 excuses for failure but never a good reason. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. The value of getting to your goals lies not in reaching the goal. The thoughts you think today determine the results you'll see tomorrow. There is little success where there is little laughter. There never was a truly great man that was not at the same time truly virtuous. Things may come true to those who wait, but only the things left by those who hustle. Things turn out best for the people who make the best of the way things turn out. To succeed, jump as quickly at opportunities as you do at conclusions. To have the rewards that very few have, do the things that very few people are willing to do. To double your net worth, double your self-worth. Think continually about what you want, not about the things you fear. To triple the growth of your organization, triple the growth of your people. Today is always the most productive day of your week. Today the greatest single source of wealth is between your ears. Tough times never last, but tough people do. Treat people well on your way up and they'll treat you well on your way down. Treating someone as second class never gets you first class results. Try not to become a person of success, but try to become a person of value. Understand that a problem is only a problem if you choose to view it as a problem. We may encounter defeats, but we must not be defeated. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. We are all born ignorant, but one must work hard to remain stupid.